All right, here's my BLT. As the bacon's cooking, I'm gonna add some avocado, a little avocado to it. All right, here's my BLT. The bacon is a little bit burnt, but it'll still be good, guys. All right, guys, this is a subscriber request. He wanted me to do a BLT and tomato soup. I did add oranges for the extra health and immunity, because as we know, with the coronavirus, it's really good to be healthy. So this is actually it's our dinner tonight, guys. And we're drinking water to drink, so I'm really thirsty. Let's try some water. I'm gonna try that BLT. I got some sourdough bread, guys. It was so difficult to find sourdough bread at my local store because they had very little bread. So let's try a bite. We're good. That is really good. I also added some a little avocado. Not a lot, but a little bit. Wow. I put extra mayonnaise on here too. All right, let's try some tuna soup. This is Campbell's, by the way, the only Campbell's I found. The can was a little bit dim, but this is only, like I said, guys, this is, people who are shopping right now, they're taking everything. I haven't had Campbell's tomato soup in a really long time. But usually when I have it with crackers, like saltine crackers, but I didn't find any. I don't know if you can see the steam right here, but it's very steamy and hot. It's really good. Try a little orange. Oh, so today's March 15th, and we have some new rules for California because of the coronavirus. The new rules is if you're 65 or over or have a lot of medical issues, they want you to stay home, being quarantined at home so you don't get other people sick, or they don't get sick. The other rule is like nightclubs and bars, they're closed. I'm not sure for how long, but they're closed. And also if you eat at a restaurant or a fast food establishment, you have to eat 6 feet away. So they might have to like maybe move the tables around or something like that. So we still have the grocery stores open. That's good. But a lot of food is gone. It's just crazy. I just can't believe how much food is gone. Even Donald Trump today in his live video on YouTube, he was talking about, you guys, just take it easy. Don't go crazy on the food. You know, let other people have the food. So today's March 15th. I don't know when I'll be uploading this video, but I'm sure when I upload it, maybe new changes. I think we already have 250 to 300 effective who have the virus in California. That tomato is really fresh. Put a little bit extra mayonnaise. I just have mayonnaise on. I just love mayonnaise and any sandwiches. Mmm. Let me know, guys, where you're from, what state, and how many people in your state are positive for the coronavirus. I'm really curious. I'm sure it's growing each day. More and more people getting affected. More and more people are dying. I don't know if you guys follow the app called Nextdoor. It's a really cool app that you just basically type the zip code where you live in, and people will talk about what's going on in the area. And this one couple was like, I don't care about the virus. We're going to plan our trips. We're going to go on our vacations. People were really pissed. They were like, hey, if you do that, you're affecting other people. And this one girl, she knows her friend that works at a hospital, and she was actually crying on the phone to her, and she was like, there's not enough breathing machines for everybody, so they have to let the dying people, they have to let the older people die. I'm like, wow, really? That's kind of bad, guys. So I thought, they don't have another breathing machines, and it affects your lungs. I don't know. So I was working at my cashier job. This young couple, I think they were in their 25, 24-ish. They're buying 36 cans of soup. And the assistant manager walks over to them and says, you know what you're doing is wrong, right? You know, all that, you're buying all that for yourself. You know, save some for the elderly people. I was really surprised she said that. Like, wow, that's kind of bold. And they're like, yeah, we heard the news that all stores are closing this weekend and we have to do all the shopping this weekend. And this was the weekend was so freaking busy. You know, I don't watch the news. I just hear some stuff on YouTube, so I don't know what they're saying on the news. Some people were saying buy 2 weeks of food in case you need to get quarantined. So that's why everybody was buying all this like macaroni and cheese, canned food, rice, beans, like everything was gone. All the pasta and pasta sauce was completely gone in all of the stores. Like, it's just crazy. It's crazy. And then she was asking, hey, if we don't need this stuff, can we return it? And the manager was like, absolutely not. She's pretty upset. But So I got a couple of comments on one of my vlogs recently. You know, I went to the hairstylist, and she kind of messed my hair up a little bit, but you know, in the end, that was fine. I got a really good discount. But I got a few comments, and I'm like, why don't go to the hair salon anymore? Your hair looks the same. It's no difference. Stop spending money and wasting your money. And at first, I thought it was kind of weird to say. You know, I don't know. I felt kind of weird to say. And second, if I don't go to the hair salon, okay, what happens is my hair is just going to grow longer and longer and longer. When it gets longer, it gets really bushy and wavy. It's like a bush. It's just so uncontrollable. So my hair looks really good this length. I don't know if you can see it, but looks good like this. This is like I kind of like. A little bit longer is fine, but if it gets long, if you guys don't understand what curly hair is like, you may not understand, but when you have really, really curly hair, if it grows out, it gets really bushy and just out of control and just looks like a flop. Trust me. Second, I have brown roots. My hair is like a reddish brown, but I have brown roots coming in, and it's noticeable after like 6 weeks after I get my hair done. So I like to get the roots done, so all my hair is the same color. And if I don't do that, it's just gonna look not very good. It's gonna look like two different colors, brown and like red. So that is why I get my hair done, in case you're curious. But I may not even like blog about that because I'm getting negative comments about that. I don't know why you guys are being so rude. Next subject. What else can we talk about? I wish I had some crackers in here. Do you guys like Campbell's potato soup? If you do you put anything special in here? So I did a live video and this guy requested it. And other people were like, yeah, that's a great request. Great idea. And I was like, really? I always thought that cheese, I always thought that grilled cheese tomato soup was a really good combination. But when I was like, are you sure BLT and tomato soup? And he's like, yeah. I'm like, okay, well, I'll try it. And people were like, yeah, that's a great request. Well, everybody likes BLTs, right? So today I was able to clean out my closet, trying to organize it, but it looks like a mess right now. I'm glad I was able to do this video today because Tuesday, which is in 2 more days, I'll be doing that St. Patrick's Day meal. That should be fun. The corned beef and cabbage. Oh, an update on the employee that I thought had the coronavirus. I just feel like she had the symptoms. I don't know if she still could or could not, but she's getting better. I don't know if they gave her any medication, but my sister is both my sisters are freaked out, like hysteria. That's all they go on YouTube, they search for it. And they're just like, my sister can't sleep at night because of this virus, and she has bad lungs. Well, she thinks she has bad lungs because every time she gets sick, she has a bad cough. I guess you call her to have bad lungs. And she's just so freaking out about it. And it's a bad virus. A lot of people have died or passed away from it. So, but I don't know. I'm not really freaked out about it, but I did buy some goods just in case, some food supplies just in case. But I say if I get it, I get it. I don't. I can't really stress about it. I'm a cashier, so I'm handling with money. I can easily get it. I hope I don't get it, though. I mean, I have a pretty good immune system, so I don't know. So I bought some oranges today thinking that would help boost my immunity. So oranges have a lot of vitamin C. So I bought this, one of my sisters who lives in Texas, of course she's freaked out about the virus too. She bought this silver cream or something, or silver like something to drink. And this type of cream or something you can drink, it's silver something. It's supposed to take out any infections out of your lungs. So she's not guaranteed it would help kill the coronavirus if you get it, but I want her to try. So I ordered some. It's very expensive though, very expensive. It's good. Saw a video on YouTube about this woman who used to live in California. She moved to, I think, Nevada or something. She said she went to a local Walmart and like, not only is there like a lot of paper towels, toilet paper was missing and canned goods, all the like meats, like almost all the meats were gone, or all the meats were gone. I'm like, wow, that's crazy. At least in my area, I can get some meat. It'd be crazy. What if everybody took all the food? That'd be so crazy. I feel like this is like a TV show. All the food's gone. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. That was pretty good. And make sure to stay healthy and stay safe. See you in the next video, guys. Peace.